these birds have got to go. To a new space, that is. They are 3 weeks old and they're starting to become a little too big for the tote that we have them in. What we have them in is just your average storage tub, and it worked really well in the beginning, but now they're starting to get a little flighty and they're starting to get kind of crowded in there because they're getting bigger. So we're going to move them today. Time to get the baby chicks moved from the little box in the bedroom and put them into our giant bathtub because they still have to stay inside, but they're getting a little flighty and roosting up on top of the edge of the box that they're in. So we want to get them into a higher wall area. We were looking for a playpen, but we couldn't seem to find one anywhere. We really didn't want to buy a brand new playpen just to put the chickens in, so we've decided to put a tarp down in the bathtub and stick them in there for the next couple of weeks.
And a little bit of sugar.
Got the top.
Thank
you. Try and open it up. All right, there's a tarp in a bathtub. Hopefully this works. Voila! The birds moved. Getting the pigs moved today. Just the boy pigs for now. Fed them all the way down here so I can move one of these fences around them and then pick up the other fence and move it where we're putting them.
That looks like a good spot.
I don't think that spot's gonna work so well.
I think it is.
It's off the ground in the front.
Oh. It won't be long. Is that right? Come on. Yeah, rub my belly, he says.
Hey, Humphrey. Oh my gosh, your whole butt's all wrinkly right now. Look at all the wrinkles. With the way he's sitting. I know, he's like, hang on, you stopped scratching my booty. Hey, Humphrey. How's it going? Does that feel good? Did I stun you for a second? He's like waiting for more. Like, oh, you're done? Okay. It's like someone at the massage, like, oh, you're finished? All right, I guess.
Not a pig for an hour. It's only been 55 minutes.
We are adding to the pasture area once again. We're actually building a second pasture area to get the animals out of the muddy front area because how bad the rain has been lately has been just way overwhelming and muddy. So we want to open up a new field for them to graze in. We were actually hoping to have the pasture area finished by this video, but it took a lot more pallets than we thought it would, so we're about halfway there. Hopefully by the next video you guys will get to see the new and improved overgrown pasture for our animals. We actually had a surprise visit today from one of the previous piglets that we had this past year. Her name is Lily Pig, and she was actually the runt of Mabel's litter last year, and she was the very first piglet I actually held. It's just so crazy to see how large she has gotten and how much she's changed over the time. She enjoyed hanging out with all of the pigs and giving kisses through the fences. And while we were walking around getting all things done, we noticed that Speedy is broody and has managed to hide a little area behind our kayaks. When we moved the kayaks, we saw her little clutch of eggs. She had about 8 in there, so we decided to cover her up with a little crate and block the weather. That way the big birds couldn't get in and she could get in there and sit on her babies. So we'll have some little Speedy babies here pretty soon. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'm sure you've noticed that our videos have not been as regular as they were over the winter, but we have been crazy busy and we've even been getting behind on some things because of all of the rain we've been having around here. We will try our hardest to continue to put up a video every week, but we cannot guarantee that it will be on the same day every week. So just ring the bell and you'll be notified. Oh my gosh, all of my birds are gonna be crazy, but ring the bell and you'll be notified when the next video is up. And hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and if you'd like to see when Lily Pig was born, click right here.